When I was young boy, I lived in Yerevan. You know Yerevan, it's close to Mount of Ararat. I lived there all my childhood. And there we haven't so much food from Africa. In Moscow, people could buy bananas, but in Yerevan it was no bananas. In Yerevan we had another fruits, of course, another fruits, food, very tasty food, but no bananas, no. Maybe it's why I'm so like bananas. Bananas. Yes. Maybe it's so why I'm so like dark people, man with from Arabic man. I like the Arabic man, Turkish man, and sometimes I had a video chat with some friends from Facebook. So very gamey and fun for me. It's very exciting for me to have a chat with them. I don't like chat with Slavish people, no, because when I lived in Russia, all my friends were Slavish, Russian, and I hide my bisexual nature from them. Maybe it's destroyed my soul a little bit. If I be more open in that time, I would be more creative. Maybe not. Maybe it helped me. Maybe not. I don't know. Our life is so complicated. We could say what's better for you or what's worse. Of course, it's better for you to be yourself and to live open life. But maybe we need some. Because if we live just open, it's not good. Because we are living on the earth, and on the earth, life is very hard. You know, animals eating another animals, human being eating another human beings. It's a law of life on the earth. And I like eat bananas. The bananas don't like when they are eating. Maybe not, I don't know. Do bananas have soul or no? I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's a stupid question. Thank you for watching my video. This was Sveta-Serge from Chicago. I like bananas.